Something about that whipped cream, it just does it. So I've been working out 5 to 6 days a week since I started my 45-pound weight loss journey, so like over 10 years. But I noticed the biggest changes in my body, both like in my physique, my waistline, weight, everything, when I focus on my macronutrients, specifically getting enough protein. And yes, I am fully embracing the holiday coziness, a little whipped cream on my coffee, a little dessert. I'm gonna share a yummy recipe later tonight. But I also am staying hyper focused on getting enough protein and making sure my foundation is good to help my physique, to help me stay lean and toned. And if you're looking to lose weight, even during this time, this is really the most important thing you can do. You girls always seem to want more of these videos, so I wanna share what I eat in a day. I'm gonna take you through my entire day of eating, show you some really easy, simple, high protein meals, how I meal prep for the week, especially when I'm busy, and then that yummy dessert later. And if you guys like these what I eat in a day videos, do me a favor, sweat the thumbs up. That just means give it a little click. That tells me to make more of them so I can keep sharing these healthy meals with you. It's kind of like gloomy and moody this morning, so I'm living for my coffee. I wanna say though, I did actually have my chocolate protein first in my coffee. I did it hot this morning because I wanted something warm and chocolatey, but I've really been focused on getting food in my belly before I have my coffee to help level out my cortisol levels, to help me be balanced, to balance blood sugar. And honestly, it's just a really good way to help me start the day on the right foot, getting plenty of protein. So I just did 1 scoop of my chocolate protein in water after I heated the water up in my kettle. So yummy, and it's just a really nice treat first thing in the day. For breakfast today, I just made 2 eggs, but I am obsessed with it. I'm gonna like probably mispronounce it, but cacio de pepe, is that right? So it's like a bunch of black pepper and Parmesan cheese in the eggs. It's so yummy, and I did not realize how high in protein Parmesan cheese is. So I try not to eat a lot of cheese in general with hypothyroidism. It's just hard on my digestion, but raw cheeses are really great, and Parmesan I don't seem to have a problem with. So it's about 2 grams per tablespoon of Parmesan, which is really high when you think about it for cheese. My spinach to get my greens and some berries. I had my protein earlier this morning, right, to make this a high protein like breakfast. If you're not gonna also have a scoop of protein, then I would add 3 egg whites to this, so you're not adding too much extra fat, but you're getting more protein, because 2 eggs alone is only 12 grams of protein. We always wanna hit that 20 to 30 grams per meal. I'm gonna start mine and Ryan's lunch. I always keep it super simple. Again, focus on the protein. I'll get my healthy fats and carbs and everything in there too, but these are some things that we always have meal prepped and like staples in our house just to make it easy. But one thing I've been doing pretty much every day for the last month or two between breakfast and lunch, once I've eaten, had a little food in my system, is eating one of these gem bites. They're basically a really incredible multivitamin, but it's real food. So there's over 20 vitamins, minerals, pre and probiotics, superfoods packed into each bite, and there's 7 in each pack here, but they're really yummy and delicious. So I like it because it feels kind of like a treat, like during the middle of the day, and it's way easier to remember to take than if you're just trying to think about taking a typical multivitamin pill. During my 45-pound weight loss journey, and now as a certified personal trainer and a sports nutritionist, you guys, like one of the biggest things I've realized is it is very hard to get everything you need from the food you're eating throughout the day. I would love if I could eat everything I need, but I know I'm gonna have some deficiencies. There's gonna be some gaps there. That's why I supplement with protein and why I take vitamins like Gem, because it just allows you to fill in those gaps to make sure that your body is functioning at its best so you can actually see results from all your hard work. The great thing about these two is they're formulated for optimal absorption, so you're actually getting everything you need when you're eating them. They have so much in them, like pumpkin seeds, turmeric, stone fruit dates, quinoa, golden chlorella, black pepper, chickpeas, pre and probiotics. I mean, there's a lot packed into them, and like I said, they're really yummy. So this one's a citrus ginger flavor. It is absolutely delicious. Anyway, I know you girls are always looking for things to add into your routine to help you feel your best and to be healthier, so I'll put a link down below. Gem right now is offering 50% off your first order with my code, so check that out if you guys are looking for a new way to get all of your vitamins that you need each day. This is a really great way to do it. last minute. Pineapple's really good for digestion, but also just add a little flavor. I feel like it needed that touch. I did mine more like Asian inspired with liquid amino, basically tastes like soy sauce, but they're like a protein, amino acid, and then sriracha. But I keep his plain because he just likes one sauce basically.
Just the bird, that's it.
It's a yellow bird. It took me like 5 minutes because I already prepped stuff ahead of time, and it's 10 times better than if you were to get takeout. But it's delicious and healthy, and you're not getting all the added fats and MSGs and salts and things you don't need. Okay, so here's my dilemma. I've been wanting to make a dessert lately just because I've been craving something at night. But I've been seeing so many of you making recipes for my holiday survival guide and my guiltless nutrition guide, like different dessert ones like the chai spice cashew cookies and brownies, and I just don't know which one to make. I'm not sure. So I figured it out, but I'm baking tonight. It's happening. Get my post-lunch walk-in. I try to walk every day after eating lunch, just even if it's only 10 minutes, to improve digestion and just help make sure I'm getting in more steps. This year, that's been a huge goal of mine, is just whether it's when I'm working, going outside, whatever, really getting as many steps in as I possibly can. It is crazy how much your body can transform just by adding in those daily steps. Yes, what you eat is so important too. So I'm doing my Pep Rally Energy Boost. This is our new one we launched that is so freaking delicious. It's sun-kissed tangerine. It is clean, natural caffeine. It's only 100 milligrams, so it's equivalent to like a cup of coffee, but it doesn't hit you like a coffee does because we have KSM 66 ashwagandha that helps balance it out, and it's ginseng, and it's from green tea, so it's just like a much cleaner, high antioxidant, amazing way to get like a little boost of energy, whether it's before you're working out or just any time of day when you need it. And then this big one is my Wing Woman, which is my immunity boost. So I have like the antioxidants in here as well, elderberry, echinacea, all the goodness. And it's like a really yummy berry pomegranate. And then I put my creatine in here. So I have that pre-workout as well. I just finished my walk and my workout. I did abs and cardio today in the Move app. And then this is mixed berries, about a cup of mixed berries, water to the top, a scoop of LSF plant protein, a scoop of natural beauty for that skin, and then like a teaspoon and a half of cashew butter. I've been kind of limiting my grains a little bit right now because I've been having some digestive issues, so doing a bit of a reset. But this has been really helping, just kind of getting this in every single day. This is always a staple. Also, I'm gonna take you for a little kitchen tour because I think we're actually, this got really crooked, actually gonna redo it starting in January. So soon we will have a fresh kitchen in here for you. It's gonna be weird. Like, we've had this kitchen since we moved in. We updated it when we first moved in, but haven't touched it. We've been here like 12 years. So we're gonna redo the cabinets. We're redoing the garage. So I have like a really amazing studio workout space in there. After being here so long, I just feel like it was time to finally invest in that more than like just our weights in there. So I'm so excited. It's gonna be fun. I'll share everything with you here and on Instagram and everywhere, but can you show your cast? You guys follow on Instagram. You probably saw this, but see. Luke broke his little leg on a slide. You want to turn it? Woo! Hi, Slay. Hi. Oh, messy living room. Perfect. So we're gonna go get our Christmas tree, and I'll come back and figure out what we're making for dinner. You already had dinner.
Baba, the baba.
And some baba. Yeah.
Baba.
You want some more? Okay. Tree time.
We're doing a little spaghetti squash for dinner. Katie's finishing putting Luke down, so I'm going to cut this in half. We're gonna cut it, we're gonna air fry it, and then we're going to scrape out the insides to get basically like a pasta.
We ended up doing the spaghetti squash and then meatballs. I have 5 meatballs. Ryan has 8. These are little cauliflower bread thins, and then some red sauce, like just marinara sauce without any sugar added or anything. You have to check those labels. Spinach and a sprinkle of Parmesan. And it's gonna be a yummy, perfect dinner. is literally like the perfect treat when you're feeling a little lazy, because I only have to put them in the fridge a couple of minutes. They harden up. They don't stay super crispy, but they still have that little bit of a crunch, and it's kind of like a Rice Krispie treat and a cookie mixed together. But this is the chai spice cashew cluster from my holiday survival guide. It is one of my favorites, and I love using the chai spice like in my coffee and stuff as well. But it's just like perfectly sweet, like not over the top for a little nighttime treat, because I added the protein powder. So I'm getting more protein in there too to help balance out my hormones, and I get a little bit of everything. Today feels like it's just been the longest day between work and cooking and doing the Christmas tree and really just being Luke's first full day in a cast. Like mentally and emotionally, I'm so tired. But this is why I prioritize my food, because it does give me energy, helps me feel good. And I know that if I have food prepped, if I have healthy things at home, that it's especially high protein, keeping that focus, I'm going to feel better. It's gonna keep my stress hormone down, and I'll see better results. So I hope you guys like seeing this, what I eat in a day. If you did, make sure you slap the thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know, because I love making these for you, because I eat different every single day, and I just feel like I personally like watching what I eat in a day to get inspiration for different meals. So if you do, let me know so I can make sure to make more of them for you guys. All right, now I'm gonna wash my face and go to sleep.